Have you ever entered a trade, watched the market move against you, and suddenly felt the urge to do anything to avoid losing money? You're not alone. The truth is, most traders don't lose because they have a bad strategy. They lose because they let their emotions take control. Fear, greed, and impatience can turn even a good trading plan into a costly mistake. If you can learn to control your emotions, you're already ahead of many beginner traders. The first emotion every trader faces is fear. Fear often appears after a few losing trades. It makes you hesitate, close winning trades too early, or avoid taking good opportunities because you're afraid of losing again. But remember, every professional trader accepts that losses are part of the journey. One losing trade doesn't define your success. What matters is following your plan consistently. The second emotion is greed. Greed convinces you to risk more than you should. It tells you to keep a winning trade open for just a little longer, hoping for even bigger profits. But the market doesn't reward greed, it rewards discipline. Successful traders are satisfied with consistent gains instead of chasing unrealistic returns. Another common mistake is revenge trading. Imagine losing 2 trades in a row. Instead of taking a break, you immediately open another trade just to recover your losses. That's not trading, that's emotion making decisions for you. More often than not, revenge trading leads to even bigger losses. So, how do professional traders stay in control? First, they always have a trading plan before entering the market. They know exactly where they'll enter, where they'll exit, and how much they're willing to risk. Once the trade is live, they follow the plan instead of reacting to every market movement. Second, they never risk more than they can comfortably afford to lose on a single trade. Knowing that one loss won't seriously damage their account makes it much easier to stay calm and think clearly. Finally, they understand that trading is a marathon, not a sprint. You don't need to win every trade to become profitable. You only need to make disciplined decisions over and over again. Here's the truth. The biggest battle in trading isn't against the market, it's against yourself. The traders who learn to master their emotions are the ones who give themselves the best chance of long-term success. Remember this: the market will always test your patience, your discipline, and your emotions. The question is, will you stay in control, or will your emotions make the decisions for you? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more practical Forex trading tips. Stay disciplined, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video.